Hey guys, what's up? This is I'm a Genius here, and today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. A little different than usual. That is, we're gonna be doing a water fast. Look at that Christmas tree, and it is September. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a water fast for you guys. So the goal is to have only water for I would say 3 days, maybe three to seven is the goal, with 5 to 7 being the true goal there, or maybe even 6, because I think the 7th day, Hetty B, that chicken place is having a pop up here in Chicago. I've never had it, so I might want to go get that on day 7. Anyway, so the reason I'm doing this, I guess, well, a few weeks ago I saw Phil Mickelson. He was in the news a lot for water fasting. People were giving him praise over his calves looking good or something like that. Anyway, he did I think he did a week water fast. So that got me looking into it and researching this. And so I kind of did my own research on this. There's a bunch of benefits, supposedly. A lot of studies done on both mice and humans in regards to this, and I can put some links in the bio below, so I don't have to explain everything. I can kind of just go high level since my understanding is pretty limited, but it helps things like cholesterol and weight, obviously, if you're having weight issues. But the main thing that I saw that was huge and that I wanted to do it for is cell regeneration throughout your whole body. Kind of reboots your whole immune system, reboots all your cells. When your body's in a fed state, it can't repair itself as easily. So when you give it time in a fast to recover, reboot, and heal it and do its own things, it helps it out tremendously, and it has a whole host of benefits. There are a bunch of other things too. I'll post it in the link below, and you guys can check it out. But the reason specifically I'm doing it, I would say, is, you can't see, it's slightly bruised, but I fractured my arm the other week doing in arm wrestling, actually. There's a video of it, but it won't be shared here. There was a loud crack during the arm wrestling. And anyway, my arm is pretty much healed. Like, I have movement now. I'm not in a sling anymore. But when I do lift like something heavy, maybe like over 25 pounds, it hurts, like right above the radius bone fractured. So in the forearm, kind of where it's yellow at a little bit. And so my goal at the end of the 7 days is for that to be healed, or just be in a lot better spot than it is now. So that's the goal. That's why I'm doing this. And I'll take you guys along for the journey. So supposedly, from what I looked up online, the first few days are the hardest, because your body's not used to just drinking this and eating nothing. Mine isn't. So I might get dizzy or lightheaded or tired, and I'll kind of walk you guys through where I'm at. Yeah, I can give you guys progress photos. I'll go step on the scale right now and show you guys where I'm at. I'll track weight along the progress, as well as I'll do weight after, like a week after the fast ends, to see where my body jumps back up. Because right now, you get food in your system. By the end of it, your weight will be lower, and you don't have food in the system. Step on the scale, so it's kind of like a false low weight. 165.6. All right, that's good. So that's day 1. Oh, by the way, highly recommend the scale if you are looking for a scale anytime soon. It's called Y-Things. I don't even know how to. I can put the link in the description below, but it's like WITHINGS or WITINGS. I don't know, one of the two. I'll put the link in. Anyway, why this thing is good is because it connects to your Wi-Fi. And so it'll sync up with its own app. It tracks your weight, as well as it automatically syncs into MyFitnessPal and other big name apps that you may or may not use. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Here, I'll do a quick progress video. I'll do photos from beginning and after, like side by side, so you can kind of see a little bit more detailed. But right now, this is where I'm at. Current progress. I'm trying to stay in the light here. Alright, that's where I'm at. Alright, so from what I read online as well, not really supposed to take supplements. I think you can take like magnesium and things like that, and maybe I will, but everything else it seems like you're not supposed to take. You're supposed to give your body a break from basically everything, including coffee, tea. The only thing that's supposed to go in your system is water. And so I got a little bit of a water filter here that I've had. I live in Chicago, and we have lead water. My street specifically tested above the threshold for allowable lead. So I got that Berkeley filter back there, but I think I read online people like to drink spring water because it has more minerals that your body is going to be losing throughout the fast. So I might go pick up some of that, but I don't think it's really a huge deal. I might just drink this. I think that's about it. I'll keep you guys updated. If I'm getting dizzy, if I'm tired or whatever, struggling through, I'll probably put this camera up and give you guys detailed analysis of this and how it goes. Supposedly, after maybe the first 3 days, maybe a day or two, most other people, their body switches a lot better to using fat as a fuel. And that's when they get the mental clarity and they start getting energy and everything like that again. But initially, I'm assuming I'll be tired and not happy as I adjust to this. So yeah, I'll give you guys updates. I think that's it. Yeah. All right. Look at this one over here, eating popcorn in front of me while I have to skip my first meal.
You want some?
No. Just made a pickup. Wasted some money on this water here. Don't think it's necessary. Not sure why I bought it. Sure, purified or distilled water is just fine. But this is what I ended up with anyway. It is 1 o'clock, 1:30, I think. Still not hungry, which is very unusual. So it's a good thing though. It's weird how it's working out this way today, but no complaints. Hey guys, quick update here. It is nighttime. It's about 11:30 at night. Still day one. Sorry I didn't update you further during the day. Basically, went past lunch, no issues. Then all of a sudden, I would say 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I just got tired. So I took like about an hour nap. I woke up and then I started feeling great again. And now I'm still feeling good since that nap. Not hungry. This is very odd. It's good though. It works out well for the fast. Like I said before, it's my first fast ever. But not hungry, which is damn near phenomenal. It doesn't feel like I have a ton of energy. But by no means am I like extremely tired or something like that. I just don't have my quite normal energy. If I didn't clarify it in the other video before, my last meal was yesterday at 8 p.m. So I'm over 24 hours now, 27 hours right now. Probably gonna pass out soon, but just want to give you guys an update. Everything's going well. It's weird. The nap thing too, that kind of reminds me. I don't know if you guys are familiar with ketogenic diet. I did that once or twice a year or two ago. And I think that was like the same thing that happened to me from when I was trying to convert to keto, like day one, no carbs or whatever. And I got tired all of a sudden, took a nap, woke up, and I felt great. And I was in ketosis. So I'm guessing something similar is happening here, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll give you guys an update in the morning on weight and how I'm feeling.